Class number 149 means 19. Capacitive transducer. Principle. Capacitor is value is proportional to area of the capacitor plate and proportional to the dielectric media's relative permittivity epsilon r and inversely proportional to the distance. As the distance is increased, capacity will be reduced. So any change in the above quantity, say area or dielectric medium or distance between the plates, it will have effect on the value of capacitance. So this can be used for measuring. See here, for example, now here capacitive tachometer. Okay, see here it will be like this. Now this is the rotating shaft, okay, which is connected to the motor or generator, whatever it is, a moving device. Okay, so this rotating shaft is like a vein. It is not circular. It is like a vein here. Okay, you have two plates of capacitor. When the vein is moving here, rotating, the value of capacitor will change because vein will come inside the between the plates and also go out of the plates. So you will get pulses. These pulse variation in capacitance can be used to induce pulses. These pulses are can be modified to get a smooth, get a accurate pulses, which can be used or measured using a digital counter or can be used for control purpose. So it can be like this or like this. You can have toothed wheel or a vane also. Here for one rotation, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 pulses. Here for one rotation, you will get only 2 pulses. One pulse when this comes inside, this is another. Here it has 2 heads. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 heads. So this can be used. There are other methods also. Here you are changing the value of ER. If you say move one plate away from the other plate, capacitor will change. Value D will change. If suppose say you keep one plate fixed and slide the other plate to right side, say now the effective area is this much. Suppose say you move this like this, such that this is like here and this will become, if you move it will come from here to here, say outside. So this outside area will not have any effect. So the area, effective area will be reduced only this much. If you move this to right, if you move the upper plate to right side, say one to some 1 or 2 centimeters, now this plate which is here, it will be like this from here to here. Now this much area is becomes invalid. Again this much area becomes invalid. Effective area will be only this much. So capacitor's value will change, which can be used for measurement.